You kind of look at off-center. You're not actually looking at me. I've been told I have to look at the camera, and the camera's pointing that way. So I'm like... How's it going, guys? So this is where I'm meant to do the professional introduction, make out like we're professional sim racers, make out like we're professional car YouTubers and presenters. We're not. So let me tell you what's going on. We're at the Bitstop's office. I'm here with Elia, another one of the members of CARSNCRYPTO. We've got Simon as well, who's actually managing and running CARSNCRYPTO. I don't know if you want to put your twang on like how you say your name or if you just want to say Simon.
Oh, Simon's cool. Ding.
So this was actually meant to be done ages ago. So what's in here is a Playseat F1 esport setup. The reason why we've delayed doing this, we've had this for about a month. We've delayed doing this video because we wanted to make this a build video where we actually finished with a build that you can play on. But Fanatec has taken a little bit of a while to get our order through. There's just been some complications. We might get our stuff next week. I don't remember what we ordered.
We ordered it so long ago. I need to get a sheet.
This video is not about that. And this video isn't about me. I'm about to bounce. I've got stuff to be doing over in the Bitstop's office. Stuff to be doing. So I've left this task now with Simon and Elia. Hopefully they can get this done. Apparently it's some form of rapid time frame, which is ambitious.
Half an hour is what we've seen online, so we're gonna time it.
Do this in
No, I'm not claiming anything. I even told the guys, my McLaren was bad, so my luck with anything, let's just...
All right, look, more than likely or not, we'll probably need to rely and fall back on Vazzaro, so I can imagine he's gonna cock this up. But if you don't cock it up, I've got a pretty cool idea.
Okay.
But I'll check up on you guys in about 15 minutes or so.
Sounds good.
More like half an hour, and then you'll be about 10 minutes in. I'll see where you're at, and if you've made some progress, I'll add my nice little addition. So cool. Anyway, listen,
good.
This is on you guys. I'm out. Guys, I'll come and check in later. See ya.
All right, so I'm gonna start the timer. We're gonna start unboxing. By the way, I have no idea what's actually inside this stuff. I don't even know if all of the tools we need are inside. So I've rummaged the office and found stuff that I think might be useful. So yeah, let me get started. Let me start the timer and then we can just get going. All right, start with a big box. Listen. He said he was going to leave us to it. You see, he has to come in and put his little 2 pence in. Simon, need your hand.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Ready, you hold the box.
Alright, should we just tip this up, hopefully?
Just do it to the side so it doesn't
Side?
drop. If I grab that.
Cool.
Yep. This is going in bloopers.
This is gonna take us 15 minutes to just get this out of the box.
Oh.
Alright, you know what? Let's get a knife. This is what we've got a knife for. Let's just cut the whole box open.
So that is the...
That looks like the actual base of the seat, right? Oh, that smell. That brand new, fresh smell of leather and goodness. Oh, that actually looks nice. Look at that. That's pretty cool. One thing that's quite funny, they've got stickers all over it, which is saying not for use in cars.
It must have been that
This is quite interesting. Do you think someone's tried to put
There
this in a
must have
still
been
car
that
before?
one guy who just put in like a 1.2 Corsa.
Not for use in cars, so
Grab that.
I think we should try that. I think that could be another episode. I think we should try actually put that in a car. This is turning into a bit of a unbox therapy video here. Just actually unboxing. I've never
That
done
new
this.
car smell.
It's great, right? He's clearly not a real man. Look, he's gone straight to the instructions.
Listen, if we're building your way, it'll take us all day.
Where's this?
So we're missing a piece?
We're missing a cushion? Is there a cushion missing?
What a start.
RF018. Are these even labeled?
Oh, you're talking about RF018.
The RF
That makes it so much more
018.
than what we're looking for.
That one. While you're doing the screws, I'm gonna get the first stuff together. I can already see this is gonna take a lot longer than half an hour.
No, we'll get it.
Yeah, we're 11 minutes in. So these are the parts that we need. These are the 3 parts here.
So obviously one would go like this.
One will go like
the other
that.
One will go like that. So try it inside.
So if that assigns like that, and I'm guessing that one goes behind. Oh wait, oh I see. All right, let's line this up.
Other way.
See, they give you these things, but I'm sitting here and I'm struggling to get this in properly because it just takes too long. I was loosening it this whole time.
Other way. Other way. Other way. I was saying wrong way. Wrong way.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I was wondering, why is it not going in? Oh yeah, while I do this, what's the...
Is this a good sign or a bad sign?
It's a good sign. It's a good sign.
How much time is that right now? What's the
21 minutes.
That's irrelevant.
21, we've got 9 minutes to finish that off. I don't think we've got the record, guys.
No. We're not going for no records. We're going to put our records only on the tracks. We're doing well. All right, let me get that. Do you want to squeeze it in a bit? There we go. Oh look, the gym's working out quite good here, isn't it?
The world is my gym.
All right, so now we can put this piece to the side. And we've got to get that big boy.
The thingy-majingy.
Thingy-majingy and that thingy-majingy over there. And that slides in with the rails facing up.
Okay. Oh, that's the rail. Jeez.
Rails facing up. I'm guessing this is just going to be adjusted depending on height.
Yeah, depending. So it's perfect for you.
Listen, I make it all for myself. Apparently this can fit an individual who's 7'2". It's not going to be me, but someone out there is.
Hey, eventually. We don't need to get this exact now because it's just how you position your wheel.
I mean, I'm hoping that we can both sit on this at the end.
Together.
No, well. Careful.
What's the next step?
Next step is we lift on the base.
All right, you do the lifting and...
Come on then, I've got it.
Yeah, I don't want to hear no sound of metal clicking and clanking.
No. Have I got it the right way first? So... Yes, I do. Ha! First time. Get in. So, by the looks of it, this... No, it's the wrong way.
Do you have it the right way? That's all.
You know what? Let's do this. Last 2 bolts as well.
What, you
Perfect.
reckon we're going to have to take these out to screw it in?
No. You just got to go underneath. So if you hold that there,
More like this?
and then
Wait
your
one second.
seat just sits straight on top, and then we put this
Well,
on.
the only thing that worries me is that it looks like it sits underneath these.
No, that's fine. Just like that. Can we edit that bit out? I can see people having exactly the same issues that we just had. So, I mean, we're doing this for you to let you know what not to do, I guess.
I can also see someone building this in half an hour if they're just not idiots.
Right, I think we've got to show this to everyone because we thought we missed a piece, but if anyone can identify what this piece is, it's not there because that piece is attached to the bottom. This doesn't exist. I'll show you what you do with this, is you just carry on. Let's put the seat on.
Sounded very important though.
I mean, it's not here. Oh wait.
Where did you figure it out?
No.
I didn't.
No. I think we're just gonna have to use a bit of the brawn. Back it, brawn. F1 team. So now that we've done that, I think you just need to screw them all because I did loosen all of the ones.
Yep.
This just sits on top, doesn't it? This literally just sits on top.
What?
This.
What do you mean?
So we screw it in and then this sits on top.
What, like?
And gravity holds it in place. It's another nice little plug. And for the pièce de résistance, as they say, au revoir.
Are we done?
I think so. Let's stop the timer. Where we at? Yeah, I could live with that.
I'd say that's an hour.
I could live with that. I'm happy with that.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Yeah, done. Should we get Michael? Cool. Should we go get Michael and see what he thinks? Oh wait, we found another little thing.
Oh.
Are these gloves? Are these little white gloves,
I don't
guys?
think they're gonna be gloves. I think it's just a cloth.
Oh, I was right. They're gloves.
I'm guessing
Should we have used these when we were building?
Yeah, I think because it's.
Boy, you actually done it, eh?
It's finished.
Hold on. First for issue. And you've got these. You've got your Michael Jackson gloves on. Why are there so many fingerprints on the build? You've got your MJ gloves on. Why do I see so many fingerprints?
There's two of us. They don't give us one set of gloves, man.
Do you know what? That's pretty cool, you know. Yeah. I didn't realise it'd be metal.
It's all like quite sturdy.
Yeah, we need to wrap this. Yeah. I'll give Yanni a call. Get him to wrap it. Literally, CARSNCRYPTO logo here. So get rid of the. Ironically, we paid extra for the Formula 1 decals, right?
Yeah, I think we did actually.
Pull these off. Let's get the CARSNCRYPTO.
There's quite a bit because you got logos.
Alright, let me have a quick little sample test run, and I'll use my imagination. I'll pretend I'm my son.
No, this fits.
This fits. I'm talking about sizing. I know my son's the same size as you. Let's talk about imagination. Pretend I've got a steering wheel. Alright, that's pretty cool, you know.
Yeah.
Now this needs to go back. Can this go back?
Yeah, you can go back.
Okay, you got it. You're set. So hold on. How much time did it take you?
An hour. Well, I can jump time.
Alright, I've done a lot. I'm gonna judge this based on how many meetings I've had since I walked out. I've had legitimately 3.5 meetings. Is that legit?
Camera can prove
Is that legit? That's actually legit.
Legit.
Alright, that's not that bad. Alright, take it all apart now. Do you really?
Yanni needs to take it apart for Yanni to wrap.
Yeah, it's easier to take apart than a car, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yanni takes apart La Ferraris and Lamborghinis.
I don't think you even need to take it. Well, maybe you would actually. Yeah, you probably would, to be fair.
Yeah, we want to wrap the whole seat.
But do you know what? This is a lot smaller than I thought it would be.
Yeah, and the interesting thing is your arse sits lower than the pedals in a real F1 car. Same thing.
Oh, it is Playseat F1.
Yeah, but I find that quite cool.
Alright, cool. Well, I'm back at it, but I don't believe you're 1 hour, but it's impressive.
It was 1 hour. On that note, guys, I think we could wrap this up. If you guys like the video, comment, subscribe, like, do all of the things down below. And any suggestions on the wrap, we are going to send this to Yanni and we are going to wrap it. So any suggestions, put them in the comments below. It might be wrapped before this video goes out, so we'll let you guys know. Have a good one and see you soon.